is kailangan meron kayong mahabang pasensya. Then, ang marireceive nyo dito sa customer
Yeah, I'm
support, most of
single
them are
mom.
nagre-reklamo.
Hello,
I don't know, no? Pero,
Brett
based on what
Flores.
I research and
Hi, I'm a
makakabasa rin,
single mom. That's my
meron din
son.
mga discrimination when it comes to entertaining customer support through call. Pero ito, buti na lang through chat. 'Di ba? So, ito maganda kasi hindi nila mahalata na iba yung kausap sa mga gusto mag-switch from office-based to remote or work from home setup, this company is a perfect choice na makapag-switch kayo ng maayos, okay? And of course, proficient in written and spoken English. Kung meron din kayong at least 1 year of experience as a team leader, no? Sa SME, Amazon CSR, quality analyst experience, ayan, it's a plus. Hindi naman talaga required, pero it's a plus. Okay, so basic work from home equipment requirements, ito medyo mataas lang ng konti, no? Like, kanina, i3, dito naman is i5 ang kailangan na specs ng computer. So, a while ago
i5,
din, sa
yeah.
Magic Assistant 4GB, dito naman 8GB. And yung stable internet connection, mas mataas din dito, at least 50 Mbps naman. Okay? So, mas malaki yung mga requirements dito, no? So, right now, for Magic Experience EAs naman, hindi na din tayo mag-focus dito, no? Kumbaga, you just have to take a look na lang, no? Itong mga key responsibilities, general requirements. So, ito, Executive EA is same lang sila ng requirement with Magic EA. Kakaibahan lang is dapat na. Pero at saka dito guys pala, mas mataas ang compensation like 70,000 pesos per month. Okay, well. So yeah, there you go guys. Those are the current openings dito sa Magic. And right now is mag-focus na tayo kung paano pa tayo mag-a-apply dito sa company na ito. But before that, I would like to share something which is CocoDP for players. So if you're a gamer and madalas ka nag-a-avail ng mga in-game purchases, CocoDP is a perfect place para makakuha kayo ng special offers and discounts. So dito sa CocoDP, makikita ninyo that nagla-less sila ng around 18%, 10% on in-game purchases. Like, syempre, dito sa
For a living, here, I'm just in a YouTube. Keep looking, you will find some work. Yeah, I'm just finding here. Oh, thank you.
And other stuff, no, kung marami rin kayong nilalaro, tingnan nyo if available dito sa CocoDP yung mga promos po nila. Makakapili kayo ng mas murang in-game currencies, like yung diamonds, mga gems, gano'n, and mga pins din pala, no? Meron din sila ditong Bigo Live and Popo Live, Star Maker, mga live streams na ginagamit na currencies for giving gifts sa inyong mga sinusubaybayan ng mga live streamers. All you have to do is just click the link in the description box and pin comment below and mag-sign up kayo for an account. And dito guys, i-click nyo yung mismong game ng bibilhan ninyong currency. Ang gagawin nyo lang is i-enter nyo lang yung user ID or zone ID, depende guys, no, kung ano yung hinihingi nila, at makikita nyo yan mismo sa inyong game. And makikita nyo dito yung mga packages available. As you can see here, ayan, bibili kayo ng 625 diamond, makakakuha ka pa ng ng 81 extra. Ayan, kung bibili kayo ng 3,099 diamonds, makakakuha pa kayo ng 589. And not to mention then guys, very convenient ang kanilang payment method dahil available yung usual na ginagamit natin na GCash, Maya, or GrabPay. Ayan, so you just have to select, no? Marami silang available na magagandang payment method dito na hindi ka mahahassle pa. You just have to click the link in the description box below para maka-avail ng mga promos nila dito. Okay, so right now, pag-usapan na natin
No, I don't have job. I just find job on online at home.
Step 1 is for you to create your profile.
I
And step
find
2, finish the assessment. So, dito guys, meron silang ibibigay sa inyo na link na kung saan mag-undergo kayo sa isang assessment test.